You can make this delicious cinnamon coffee cake easily at home. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be sharing with you a delicious recipe for cinnamon coffee cake. This is the perfect recipe to enjoy with a warm cup of coffee or tea, and it's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So, grab your ingredients and let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup milk. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the cinnamon streusel topping, you'll need 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup brown sugar. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1/4 cup unsalted butter, chilled and cubed. To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9-inch cake pan with butter or cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Whisk everything together until well combined. Next, in a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the milk, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract until smooth. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, whisking constantly until you have a smooth batter. In another mixing bowl, prepare the cinnamon streusel topping by combining the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Using a pastry cutter or your fingers, cut in the chilled butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Now, pour half of the batter into your prepared cake pan and spread it out evenly. Sprinkle half of the cinnamon streusel topping over the batter. Pour the remaining batter over the streusel layer and spread it out evenly. Finally, sprinkle the remaining cinnamon streusel topping over the top of the cake. Bake the cake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. And there you have it, a delicious and easy recipe for cinnamon coffee cake. We hope you enjoyed watching us make this recipe and that you'll give it a try yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this one. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Easily at home. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.